So snoring and sleep apnea are very closely related. One very easy, oversimplified but easy way to think of sleep apnea is it's really, really bad snoring. Snoring is basically where you're making a lot of noise breathing when you're asleep, okay? Sleep apnea is where you're stopping breathing. You make a lot of noise when you stop breathing, and then you gasp for breath periodically and stuff like that. So thinking of sleep apnea as very severe snoring, severe enough that you're actually stopping breathing, struggling to breathe, your blood oxygen level drops, your heart rate goes up and down in ways that it should not. That's the relationship between those two.